that the leader is the struggle, and is to assume that the leader is the one who is the alpha and omega of what the people must do. Let us take back the struggle to where it belongs, in the hands of the people. The country we want to see is in our hearts and in our hands, and we can only unleash it for future generations and for ourselves when we begin to all act, not as politicians, not as trade unions, not as churches, but as citizens. So the bottom line is for us to go back to our common denominator, that which unites us, being citizens of Zimbabwe. And we need to be united as citizens. That's why I said this is not about ZANU, this is not about MDC, this is not about the old, the young, it's about everybody. Because our common destiny is under threat. Our common future has been jeopardized, and we need to rescue it. We're a lost nation, we're a broken nation. We need to discover ourselves. And to discover ourselves, we need unity. So that is the different thing that we are going to see. This is no longer about MDC being the big party or ZCT being the bigger brother. This is about all of us being united and having a common platform. And citizens united can never be defeated. No army, no weaponry, no armory can stand when the people say enough is enough.